We're entering that season again where the trees start blooming, the flowers start blossoming. Everybody loves it except your allergies. But maybe for you, it's an allergy problem all year. Well, today I'm here with Keith Bishop, our clinical nutritionist, and we want to talk to you about allergies. All right, so Keith, a lot of people deal with allergies. We're in Oklahoma, kind of right in the middle of it. A lot of people are going through this. What are some things that you use or you see problems with allergies, and then what are some ways you treat that?
Well, often, allergies can be seasonal, maybe like this time of year, or just day in and day out, all the time. Either way, if you seem to be extra sensitive, maybe there's something else that's going on every day in your life that's creating some problems. And so, we could always try to sell you a bunch of pills, but there's also some basic things that you should do to get to the source of the problem. And that includes looking at maybe what you're eating. Okay. So I had problems with that. And many years ago, when I cut out, decreased, not totally cut out, but decreased wheat and dairy products, I didn't have to take allergy pills anymore. Wow. So certain foods can actually increase your histamine levels and make it so that you have more allergy problems. You're more sensitive so that when the pollen does go up, now you've got more problems. But if you're having problems all the time, every single day, then there's something else that's going on every day, all year long. You have some food sensitivities probably. So we want to address that, and that's one of the things that we'll use, maybe a probiotic to help address that. Zinc deficiencies can be an issue. So zinc helps with the immune system to fight infections and calm down the immune system. And then D3 and K2, same thing, anti-inflammatory, helps fight infections. And then we'll use another product called Allernyl for kind of like a faster relief. Okay.
Well, that's fascinating. So earlier this year, I actually decided to get off grains just to see what it did. And I completely agree with you. Right. Like, it's just amazing. Like, headaches went away, different allergy issues that I was having went away, and I was like, okay, I think I'm going to keep doing this. So that's pretty fascinating. So that's kind of some of the basic overview. Maybe someone comes in and says, I've been taking an antihistamine or something. What's a fast-acting option for them? Maybe?
Yes, something fast. So some of these others are more like slower-acting prevention, which I think are very important. Right. But then Allernyl is a product that's fast-acting. So it's a natural antihistamine, no drowsiness. It's got 3 different things that are antihistamines. That means it helps with the itching, watery eyes, sneezing type things. Also, a couple ingredients actually help to thin out the congestion too, and even repair the body. So this is a faster acting. These are more like trying to get to the source of the problem and fast acting.
Okay, great. So maybe someone comes in and says, all right, I want to take Allernyl. What's the process like for them then? So how are they taking that? How long do they take it? Kind of what's the info on that?
Okay. So the typical dose on this is going to be 1 or 2 capsules, 1 or 2 times a day. I've had some very severe allergies like hive issues, and I've given 2 capsules 3 times a day for that. Typically 1 or 2 twice a day.
Okay. Well, great. Well, there you have it. Here's just another example of how at Flourish we can help you feel better faster.